Hello, little artists. Today, we are going to learn how to draw Mira in a Roblox style. Get your pencils ready and draw together with me. Head. First, draw a rectangle for Mira's head. Neck. Add a small neck under the head and let's keep going. Body. Now draw another rectangle for the body. Arms. Draw 2 long rectangles on each side. Hands. Add small, simple hands at the end. Legs. Draw 2 long rectangles under the body. Keep the legs close together, just like a Roblox character. Hair. Now draw Mira's hair using simple shapes. Eyes and smile. Draw 2 big eyes and a small happy smile. Outfit details. Add just a few simple lines for the clothes. Coloring. Color Mira any way you like. Finished! You did an amazing job. I will see you in the next drawing video. For more characters and drawing videos, you can visit my page. Don't forget to like the video. See you next time. Bye.